Namaskara. I am Dr. P. Hariharamurthy. I am a practicing ENT specialist in Bangalore for more than 3 decades now. Wax or sediment that's produced in the external auditory canal is produced only in the outer portion of the external auditory canal. Now, this is a protective mechanism to ensure that small insects or dust particles do not impinge on the eardrum and cause injury. Nature has made it perfect. Now, when the wax that's produced doesn't come out, it accumulates in the ear. This is usually a practice in people who don't have a habit of chewing. Many children, or even adults for that matter, have the habit of eating and doing something else. Maybe watching TV, watching the mobile, watching the computer when they are eating. As a result of which their concentration on the chewing is not there, as a result of which they swallow without chewing adequately. Chewing is a necessary requirement for the wax that's produced in the outer portion of the ear, which is mobile, incidentally, and moves with chewing to bring out the wax easily, spontaneously. Now, this is not possible when you're not chewing. Apart from that, the practice of using buds to clean the ear or use a finger or any other implement to clean the ear only tends to push the wax further inside. Now, this portion, which is within the bony part of the ear, does not move. So, the wax can get impacted over there. The natural production of wax does not impede hearing. Only when there is an excessive accumulation of wax in the outer portion of the external auditory canal or into the bony part of the canal, thereby covering up the tympanic membrane, it can cause loss of hearing, and severe loss of hearing in people with impacted wax. And more than that, there can be an accumulation of the squamous debris which is shed from the skin regularly behind the wax in the external auditory canal, as a result of which it can make it severe as well as be associated with pain and cause injury by erosion due to pressure. So these are all the complications of accumulated wax, not only causing impairment of hearing, also having associated problems caused thereafter.